All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1 and we'll ask you some questions. Got to answer. Yes.
How often do you eat chocolate?
I don't eat chocolates quite often. I eat chocolates once or twice a month. I like to eat milky chocolates.
Okay, you spoke 3 sentences and all these 3 sentences are independent, separate sentences. Try to connect your ideas. How often do you eat chocolate? I don't like eating chocolate quite often because it is not good for my teeth. But sometimes, occasionally, if anybody gives me a chocolate, then I consider eating that chocolate. So, to answer your question, I'm not fond of eating chocolates at all. Right? Connectivity and at least 4-5 sentences. Now, let's go on.
When was the first time you ate chocolate?
I don't remember about it. I think when I was very small, I was eating chocolates.
Okay, I was eating chocolates is not the right tense.
I ate chocolates.
When I was very small, I used to eat chocolates. Okay, so listen, no one ever remembers the first time you ate a chocolate because you must be a baby at that time, right? So when was the first time you ate a chocolate? I don't remember. In fact, it's something nobody knows. Maybe I was a toddler or a little baby when anybody offered me a chocolate, but I still remember when I was a school-going girl, then I used to eat chocolate, something like that. And all this thing is pretending. Whatever I'm speaking, I'm pretending. I don't even remember when I was a baby, right? So you just need to pretend the answers. Yeah, one last question.
Is chocolate popular in your country?
Many chocolates are popular in my country. Cadbury milk is so popular, and many foreign chocolates are popular.
Okay, again, sentences are going on separately. Many chocolates are popular in my country. Cadbury is popular. Many foreign chocolates are popular. These sentences have no connectivity. And this is the plan for 5 band only. So you need to elaborate. You need to connect. For example, what's the question? Is chocolate popular in UK? Yes, chocolate is very common. What is the word for popular? Common. Chocolate is very common in my country. Young people exchange chocolates as a gift. On the other hand, children like to eat the chocolates. So therefore, whenever you go to any good supermarket or shopping mall, you will see the shelves full of local brands of chocolates and international brands. So to answer your question, chocolate is really popular in my country. Something like this. Just try to do it. You need energy to answer the questions and use your energy, okay? Start drinking tea, coffee, and then you'll be fine, okay? Thank you.